Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Ford Focus door handle. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You'll need a set of screwdrivers, a trim removal tool, and potentially a small socket set. It's also crucial to have your new replacement door handle ready. Setting up a clean, organized workspace will help prevent losing any small screws or clips during the repair process. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient repair. Now, let's move on to removing the door panel. Begin by carefully prying up the window switch panel and disconnecting its electrical connector. Look for and remove any visible screws, often located behind the door handle or in the armrest. Next, use your trim removal tool to gently pry around the edges of the door panel, releasing the clips. Once loose, lift the panel and disconnect any remaining electrical connectors and the door release cable. With the door panel off, you can now access the door handle mechanism. Locate the screws or bolts that secure the old handle in place and remove them. Carefully detach any connecting rods or cables that link the handle to the latch assembly. Once the old handle is free, position your new replacement handle. Reattach all connecting rods or cables, making sure they are securely fastened, and then tighten the screws to hold the new handle firmly in place. Finally, it's time for reassembly and a crucial final check. Reconnect all electrical connectors and the door release cable to the panel. Carefully align the door panel with its clips and firmly press it back into position, ensuring all clips engage properly. Reinstall any screws you removed earlier. Before closing everything up, thoroughly test the operation of your new door handle and the power windows to confirm everything is working correctly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.